Hairdresser lesson number 1. Firstly, find a model ready for any experiment. Take a felt pen and draw line 1, then draw line 2. Do not connect the lines, it's easier. Take your scissors and cut along the lines. On light hair, the lines from the felt pen are visible good. On dark hair, not very. Take a clipper with guard number 3 and shave off anything below the lines. We also clean the lines with a clipper. Well done. Comb the top hair and pull it towards you. We cut with such an interesting technique to get the texture. Attention, you need to attach a plaster to your finger in advance so as not to cut yourself. But if you cut yourself, don't worry, because the plaster is already on your finger. Well done. Let's make a color. To save our time, do not put color to the full length. Put only on the roots. It's easier. It looks like a color is black, but it is not. You just watch the video in black and white and you will know what color happens after 3, 2, 1. I was late, but result still beautiful. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to my channel and wait new hairdresser lessons. Goodbye.